Hello everyone, I am Dr. Manasvi Behel. I am a family dentist and tobacco cessation specialist. I am also a co-founder of Complete Dental Solutions. Today is my first video on our new YouTube channel. Before I start with my topic, I would like to say that these are times of uncertainty, but I'm sure there is some greater good in store for all of us and we will come out of it stronger. Today I'll be talking about how to manage dental emergencies at home and what tips you can keep in mind while you have any dental pain or sensitivity or any issue at home. So if somebody has toothache, you have to keep in mind that you have to keep your mouth very clean. Apart from brushing twice daily, you also have to floss, have to clean in between your teeth, because whenever we eat something, there's food stuck between the teeth. Apart from flossing, you have to rinse your mouth with warm water and salt. You can take a glass of water and put half teaspoon of salt and rinse throughout the day, maybe 8 to 10 times a day or every 2 hours. Apart from that, the tooth which is aching, you can put a piece of clove, जिसको हम लौंग भी कहते हैं, या आप लौंग का तेल मतलब क्लोव ऑयल जो मार्केट में अवेलेबल है उसको कॉटन पे लगा के you can put inside your teeth. In cases of severe pain and if there is a swelling because of toothache, which is also called abscess, what you have to do is very important. Root. So our tooth is composed of two parts. One part is the crown part, which is seen over the gums, and then there is a part called the root, which is underneath the gums. So if the infection goes down into the root, then it can lead to an abscess and it can cause a pimple like swelling जो gums में आपको दिख सकती है around that tooth, and it might hurt. There are cases when the abscess leads into a big swelling. It can lead to a facial swelling, which is very dangerous for the rest of the body. It can cause systemic complications. आपने इस चीज़ का ध्यान रखना है. In such a situation, you have to call your dentist immediately. And while you have not called the dentist and you have not reached the office, you can do two things. Number one, you can rinse your mouth with warm water and salt. Number two, in case of a swelling, you can do cold compression. That means ice compression. ठंडी सिकाई आप बाहर से swelling पे कर सकते हैं. Now we will be talking about sensitivity, जिसको हम कहते हैं ठंडा या गर्म लगना. Sensitivity can be because of hot food, cold food, sugary drinks or acidic drinks. So in that case you have to buy a desensitizing paste from the market. Now desensitizing paste को यूज़ करने का तरीका अलग होता है जैसे हम नॉर्मली पेस्ट यूज़ करते हैं उससे. डिसेंसिटाइजिंग पेस्ट आप फिंगर पे लेंगे, जहाँ आपको सेंसिटिविटी है वहाँ पे आप लगाएंगे, बाहर अंदर हर जगह. उसको लगा के आप 2 से 4 मिनट छोड़ेंगे. छोड़ने के बाद मुंह में आपके पेस्ट तो होगा ही, थोड़ा सा और पेस्ट ब्रश पे लेके आप नॉर्मली ब्रश करेंगे. यू हैव टू रिपीट इट इन द मॉर्निंग एंड एट नाइट. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट यू हैव टू कंट्रोल ड्रिंकिंग एक्सट्रीम हॉट, एक्सट्रीम कोल्ड और खट्टी चीज़ें और एसिडिक बेवरेजेस. Sensitivity can also be because of a broken filling. So you may not realize, but you have a broken filling and it is causing you sensitivity. In that case, you can use number one, a desensitizing paste. The other thing, while you eat or drink something, you can put a pellet of cotton inside that broken filling part and you can replace the cotton throughout the day. And the sensitivity can also be because of a lost crown or if your crown is loose. In that case, similarly, you will do a desensitizing paste. You can also apply clove oil on cotton and leave it there. It will soothe out the pain. In cases if you have a fall and there is bleeding from your mouth, number one thing, you have to rinse your mouth thoroughly with warm water and salt. If the bleeding doesn't stop, you have to talk to your dentist immediately and tell them that I am bleeding, I need to see you. Till the time you have not reached your dentist and the bleeding doesn't stop, you have to take small gauze piece or cotton and press on that area. Keep tightly pressing on it. Maybe for 10 to 15 minutes the bleeding will stop. If it doesn't stop, replace with another gauze piece or cotton and go to your dentist as soon as possible. In case of a swelling, what you can do is, like I told before, you can do an ice compression. ठंडी सिकाई आप कर सकते हैं. कई बार ऐसा होता है, we have a fall and there is a chipped tooth. If there's a chipped tooth and you see a bleeding spot from your tooth, call your dentist. Maybe you require a root canal. If there is a situation wherein your tooth comes out or just totally knocked out of your mouth, do not panic. Call your dentist immediately. And while you have not reached to the dentist, keep that tooth very, very carefully. Do not hold it from the root part. Like I told you, there are two parts. One is the root and one is the crown. Hold it from the crown part of it and keep it in a container of milk and some salt and take it to your dentist. Your dentist will place that tooth into the socket. Make sure that you are reaching your dentist within an hour. Braces and there is a wire which is poking you here and there. What you can do is sometimes the doctors give you an ortho wax while your treatment starts. If you do not have an ortho wax, what you can do, you can take a small cotton pellet, wet it with water and put it on the wire which is poking you. So it will just help you and it will not irritate your cheek. Last tip that I would like to give you all is to not self-medicate. Do not take medications on your own. Do not take medications from your pharmacist or your pharmacy. Please go and speak to your dentist or to any nearby dentist you can think of. They are specialists of the mouth. They know what medication is good for you, what dosage is correct for you. Also, do not panic in these times because panicking really makes our immunity go low. Be calm and be positive, and I will see you next with other videos and other topic that we'll be discussing. I hope you've liked today's video, and if you have any queries, questions or any suggestions to give us, you can write in the comment box. You can like, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications about our videos. Thank you.